This is the continuation of the 2014 Hyundai Veloster. We already find the parts for the door, the lock, and the window from the junkyard, so now I'm gonna be putting it back. So we had an issue with the door that wasn't locking over here. So we trying to fix it. That's why you guys were seeing in the video. But we already got it fixed. Now it closed really easy how it should. So now I'm gonna be putting the window so I can put the panel, but the panel I won't be putting it because it got dirty, so I need to clean it. That's it for the door right now. I'm gonna be putting the panel later on until I clean it because it's really dirty. Let me show you. So after I clean it, I will be removing that ugly tint. I might leave the rest of them. I might, not sure. I'm gonna be putting the panel, and then after that I'm gonna be doing the control arm, the lower control arms. So now we're doing the tires. I already removed them, and we're gonna be doing the brakes too at the same time. I'm gonna be putting the panel for the door. Tires are loaded, and now they're gonna be going, I'm gonna be going to the shop to replace them and then put them back in the car. The tires are already mounted, brand new. This is gonna be going to the front, and then the ones that they were in the front, well, one it was in the front is going to the back, and the one that was in back is gonna stay in the back. So now we're gonna be working with the brakes, guys. So we're in the back on the rear on brakes. So it's gonna be two 14s, which is this one and this one. We're gonna remove it, and then you're gonna be using this type of tool. You're gonna need extension, ratchet, hammer, flathead, obviously the brakes, and a 14, which I'm using this. You're gonna use a flathead to remove them. Sometimes they're stuck. Now this one with the metal part is gonna be going to the back, and then you see this little metal clip in this brand. I don't know another brands, but on this one, this has to be aligned with this. So I'm gonna put it, and then we're gonna turn it, and then I'm gonna show you. Now you're gonna be using this one with the two, and this is how it's gonna be turned. You put this part over here and turn it. It's gonna be going towards the right, from left to right. It's gonna be a little bit hard, but as long as you get it in, you're gonna be good. You're gonna be going all the way in. Now, remember, it has to be flush, so I'm thinking a little bit more in the middle, like this, so it can align with the brake pad. And that's it for this. Now we're gonna be going to the front. My uncle is gonna be putting the tire. On this side is gonna be 114, that's it. Only 114, and then you lift it up, and then with the seat clamp, you push it in. Same thing, metal clamp to the back. And that's it. So this is how you guys do the front and rear brakes. So now after this, we're gonna be doing the door. Alright guys, now we're gonna be working with the switch from the rear door because it's broken over here in this side. So that's what's gonna be next. Now I need to remove it from here so I can put the new one. Last thing that I'm missing on this car is the rear shocks for the hatch door. It keeps falling on me. Let me show you how it falls. Basically, for holding, I need to hold it like this, and then you see. So I got the shocks already. They're brand new. I'm gonna be swapping them. I'm gonna show you really fast how to do it. If this job you guys are doing it by yourself, trying to get some leverage, because this door, as soon as you lose that, it's gonna fall. It's too heavy. So I'm gonna be using a piece of wood, but if you got somebody else can be holding it until you remove it. So I'm gonna be using this piece of wood. I'm gonna hold it like that as a leverage. And now to remove these shocks, you're gonna need a little flathead like this, and you're gonna grab it over here by the bottom and pull it. This side I already did it, so it's loose. You pull it like that, and then the bottom you just push it back. It will come out like this. Now I'm gonna be putting the new one. You want to start in the bottom. It's basically a clip-on. Clip it on, and then this chuck is a little bit higher, so I need to push it down, or trying to lift up a little bit more the door. And that's it. Same thing on this side. Since I got a new shock, I don't think I need no more the leverage plywood, since you see it's stronger now. But be careful. Same process. Over here is a clip. You just pull it. I already did this side too. Pulling it, I'm pulling. Same thing, clip on. And there you go. No more problems with the hatchback door. Really easy to swap it. If you guys do have any type of this problem. Easy peasy. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I need to give you guys an update of this car eventually in the other videos. But this is it for this one. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.